Hi students, after learning addition and subtractions, we are going to talk about multiplication of polynomials. Do you remember what is the distributive law of multiplication? In general, a times bracket x plus y is equal to ax plus ay. Also, if it is like this, x plus y bracket times a, by removing brackets, you get xa plus ya. So we can say that ax plus ay is the expansion of a times bracket x plus y, and xa plus ya is also the expansion of the bracket of x plus y times a. So let's look at some arithmetic examples. For example, 3 times bracket 2 plus 1, we can write it as 3 times 2 plus 3 times 1, which is equals to 9. Okay, for 1 plus 2 bracket times 3, it can be written as 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 times 3 is also 9. So the distributive law, the relation can also be shown by the areas of rectangles. Look at this rectangle. The length of the whole rectangle is x plus y, and the width here is a. So the area is a times bracket a x plus y. And we can cut this whole rectangle into two parts. The area of this purple part, okay, is a times x, ax, and the area of the yellow rectangle is a times y, ay. The total area are the same, so we have a times x plus y bracket equals to ax plus ay. Let's look at some examples. How to expand this expression? We multiply 2, okay, to all terms inside the bracket, and then it becomes 2 times m and 2 times 3, okay, plus 2 times 3. Then we get 2m plus 6 as the answer. How about this? We multiply negative a into the terms inside the bracket. Remember to use a bracket for the negative number here. Okay, we get negative a times b plus, here is plus, negative a times 2c. So the result is negative ab minus, because plus a negative number becomes minus 2ac. The distributive law is also true if the bracket is x minus y instead of x plus y. You can multiply to the terms a here to the terms inside the bracket. Okay, in this case and this case, in these two general cases, multiply a inside the brackets. For example, 3 times bracket 2x minus y. You can multiply 3, okay, to the two terms inside the brackets. So it becomes 3 times 2x minus 3 times y. So the result is 6x, okay, minus 3y. It is also true if there are 3 terms in the brackets. See these two general cases. We multiply a to each terms. For example, bracket of 4h minus 5k minus 3 is multiplied by 2a. Then what would it be? You multiply 2a, okay, the 3 terms by 2a, like this. So you get 4h times 2a minus 5k times 2a minus 3 times 2a. The result is 4 times 2 is 8, 8ha, minus 5 times 2 is 10, 10ka, minus 6a. We can actually apply the distributive law of multiplication to expand the product of two polynomials. Okay, it is a plus b times x plus y. They are binomials here. Look at this rectangle. The length is x plus y. The width is a plus b respectively. So the area is length times width becomes a plus b times x plus y. Well, the rectangle can split into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the area can also be found by adding up the area of 4 parts. Okay, now the area of this rectangle is a plus b times x, a plus b times x, like this. Area of this rectangle, okay, is a plus b times y here. Now split the rectangles one more time. Okay, split it one more time. We can get area of ax, area of bx, area of ay, and area of by. So the area, okay, is this. Therefore, we can say that a plus b bracket times bracket of x plus y equals to ax plus bx plus ay plus by. For example, how to expand this? M plus 1 times, okay, bracket m plus 2. Now you can multiply m plus 1 to the terms in the second bracket. That means m and 2. You multiply it, so you then get m plus 1 times m plus 1 bracket times m plus 1 this bracket times 2. Then you multiplied m into m plus 1 and multiplied 2 into m plus 1. Therefore, you get m squared plus m. This one m times m squared. 1 times m here. And you can get 2m plus 2 here. But remember, this is not the end. You have to add up the like terms. So you add up m and 2m, it becomes 3m. Therefore, the result is m squared plus 3m plus 2. So please try your best on your quiz. See you next time.